Today is June 29th, 2020, and I got to thinking about the progress that I've been making on the van and how little I've been able to share with you guys from the video perspective, just because I am spending almost all of my time either working or working on the van, and then by the time I'm done, I'm just so tired. So I'm currently sharing video with you guys from back in March. And there has been so much that's been done on the van since then. I decided to get us all caught up to the same place. We're going to do a quick review of where we are in the video progress so far so that you guys can have a quick reminder of what I've shared with you on this channel thus far. And then I'm going to fast forward through the progress that's been made and get us all caught up to today. So let's see where we've been, where we are, and then I'll talk a little bit about where we're going. I bought a van! Visitor, and I'm hoping that he stays down where he belongs by like a quarter of an inch, being too short. So today is the first day where I feel like I've actually had a bad day with the van. You know, I've done probably 90% of this alone. I'm tired. Just feeling a bit overwhelmed. So, when you're feeling overwhelmed, let's find some silver linings. So it was actually pretty awesome to go through that video footage and look back on how much I've accomplished. I think I got so caught up in just the day-to-day, this has to be done, that has to be done, oh, here we go again, you know, kind of Groundhog Day scenario. And going through this footage and looking and seeing what I actually have accomplished from that empty shell to where I am now was really inspiring, and it kind of reignited some of my excitement about doing this project. So the question is, what's next? I have some trim work to finish out. I have some painting to finish. I have another cabinet door or the closet door to add. I have another battery to add, and then a trip. I'm pretty sure that I am going to go up to Colorado for a little bit, and maybe just a couple of weeks max, just to really, you know, test out the van, see what I like, see what I don't like. Also getting comfortable with this lifestyle and just being out on the road and living in the van. I want to be able to find some seclusion. I want to be able to find some opportunities to really, you know, really connect with nature and just get out, get it away. And I think now with everything that's going on in our world is really going to be re-energizing and recharging, and get, you know, keep me in that positive mindset, you know, just escaping. I'm excited to learn something and to adopt a new way of being on this planet. But I'm also really nervous about changing and growing and doing something that's really going to be out of my comfort zone. So thank you guys so much. I hope that you enjoyed catching up with me, and there is another video coming soon talking a little bit about what's going to be happening from getting rid of stuff and the purge perspective, and you know, what am I gonna do with this place and the stuff that's in it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I want you guys to also comment and tell me, you know, what did you like, what did you not like, what surprised you, what did you see that you would have done differently, because I'm already thinking about the things that I'm gonna do differently or change at some point in the van. So please comment, like, share, and subscribe, and that way we can keep up with each other. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.